Joint pain does not begin in the joints. That may sound strange, but it's true. Pain in the knees, hips, shoulders, hands, or lower back is usually the end result of something much bigger happening inside the body, something that has been building quietly for years. That something is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is not always loud. It doesn't always cause fever or swelling you can see. Often it works silently, stiffening joints, thinning cartilage, and reducing mobility one slow day at a time. For many people, joint pain feels like an unavoidable part of aging. But aging itself is not the true cause. Inflammation is. And one of the most powerful ways to influence inflammation is what you consume every morning before your body has been affected by stress, sugar, or processed foods. Today, we're going to talk about 8 anti-inflammatory drinks you can consume in the morning that help calm inflammation, support joint tissue, and improve daily movement. These are not cures. They are not replacements for medical care. They are daily support signals that help the body heal instead of deteriorate. Why morning is the most important time for joint pain? Morning stiffness is one of the most common joint complaints. People describe difficulty standing up, tight knees or hips, pain when making a fist, reduced range of motion. This happens because during sleep, movement is minimal. Synovial fluid thickens, circulation slows, inflammatory compounds accumulate. When you wake up, your joints are literally less lubricated than they were the day before. What you drink first thing in the morning determines how quickly inflammation calms, how well joints rehydrate, how efficiently nutrients reach cartilage. Water alone helps, but water combined with anti-inflammatory compounds helps much more. What is inflammation doing to your joints? Inflammation damages joints in several ways. It breaks down cartilage, reduces joint cushioning, increases pain sensitivity, slows tissue repair, restricts blood flow. Over time, this leads to osteoarthritis, reduced flexibility, chronic pain, loss of independence. The goal is not just pain relief. The goal is to lower inflammatory burden every day so joints can recover instead of constantly breaking down. Why drinks work better than pills for daily support? Many people rely on pain medications. These can reduce symptoms, but they don't correct the cause. Daily drinks work differently. They hydrate cells, deliver nutrients gradually, support digestion and liver detox, reduce oxidative stress system-wide. Liquids are absorbed faster than solid foods. They reach tissues more efficiently. They place less stress on digestion. That's why morning drinks are such a powerful tool. Drink number 1, warm turmeric and ginger water. This drink has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is now supported by modern research. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound shown to reduce inflammatory signaling, calm joint swelling, and protect cartilage from breakdown. Ginger works alongside turmeric by improving circulation, reducing pain sensitivity, supporting digestion. Warm water improves absorption and relaxes tissues. This drink is especially helpful for morning stiffness, knee pain, finger joint discomfort, and lower back tightness. Consistency matters more than quantity. Drink number 2, lemon water with extra virgin olive oil. This combination supports joints indirectly by supporting the liver and digestion. The liver is responsible for clearing inflammatory waste from the bloodstream. Lemon stimulates bile flow, supports detox pathways, reduces oxidative stress. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they reduce systemic inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and support joint lubrication. This drink is gentle and ideal for long-term daily use. Drink number 3, diluted tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protect joint tissue, and lower oxidative stress. Research shows tart cherry compounds may reduce stiffness, improve mobility, and support recovery after physical activity. Dilution is essential to avoid excess sugar. This drink is particularly useful for people with arthritis-related pain, post-activity soreness, and inflammation linked to poor sleep. Drink number 4, green tea with cinnamon. Green tea is one of the most studied anti-inflammatory beverages. It contains catechins that protect cartilage, reduce joint inflammation, and support metabolic health. Cinnamon helps by stabilizing blood sugar, reducing inflammatory spikes, and improving circulation. Stable blood sugar is critical for joint health. Blood sugar swings increase inflammation throughout the body. This drink is especially beneficial for people with joint pain linked to diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and weight-related joint stress. Drink number 5, pineapple and ginger infusion. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known to reduce swelling, improve tissue repair, and support joint mobility. When combined with ginger, pain sensitivity decreases, circulation improves, and inflammation calms. This drink works well for overuse injuries, mild arthritis, and muscle-related joint stiffness. Fresh pineapple works best, but small amounts are enough. Drink number 6, bone broth in the morning. Bone broth is one of the most nourishing joint support drinks available. It contains collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. These nutrients support cartilage structure, tendon and ligament strength, and joint cushioning. Warm bone broth in the morning hydrates deeply, provides building blocks for joints, and reduces inflammatory stress. This is especially valuable for older adults and those with long-term joint degeneration. Drink number 7, food-grade aloe vera water. Aloe vera supports joint health by supporting gut health. The gut and joints are closely connected. Poor digestion increases systemic inflammation. Aloe vera helps calm gut irritation, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce inflammatory signaling. When the gut improves, joints often follow. This drink should be used in small, consistent amounts. Drink number 8, flaxseed omega drink. Flaxseed is one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce joint inflammation, improve flexibility, and protect cartilage from breakdown. Most modern diets contain too many omega-6 fats, which increase inflammation. Flaxseed helps rebalance this. Ground or soaked flaxseed improves absorption. This drink supports long-term joint protection, reduced stiffness, and better mobility. Why rotating these drinks works best? Inflammation is complex. No single drink addresses every pathway. Rotating these drinks prevents adaptation, supports multiple systems, and improves long-term results. Some calm inflammation, some nourish tissue, some improve circulation, some support digestion. Together, they create a supportive environment for healing. Why these drinks take time to work? Joint tissue heals slowly. Cartilage has limited blood supply. Improvement comes from reducing daily damage, not instant relief. Most people notice reduced morning stiffness within weeks, improved movement over months, and less reliance on pain relief over time. This is normal. Slow healing is still healing. What these drinks will not do: they will not replace medical treatment, instantly eliminate pain, or reverse severe joint damage overnight. What they do is reduce the conditions that cause damage, and that matters more in the long run. Lifestyle habits that enhance these drinks. These drinks work best when combined with gentle daily movement, proper hydration, adequate sleep, reduced sugar intake, stress management. Inflammation is influenced by everything you do, not just what you drink. Final thought: joint pain is not a punishment for aging. It is often a signal that inflammation has been ignored for too long. What you drink every morning is one of the simplest ways to send a new signal to your body. A signal that says, we are calming down, we are repairing, we are supporting movement. These 8 drinks are not extreme, they are not expensive, they are not complicated. They are small daily choices that protect your joints quietly and consistently. And over time, those small choices change everything.